Galaxy users can rejoice, your see-through wallpapers are here, but with one caveat. They're technically backwards. Why? Because that's the way Samsung likes to build their phones. Due to the construction of the phone, the view that you'll see with these wallpapers isn't the view through the screen, but technically the view through the back panel. But who cares, right? That's still cool, and we can't let the iPhone users have all the fun. Our Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus wallpapers are available for free over on our blog. There's a link in the description of this video that'll get you there. All right, first things first, click the images in the blog to view them in full resolution. Then, save the image to your phone. Open the image, and then use the menu in the upper right corner of the Gallery app to set as wallpaper. Then you get to choose where you want your wallpaper to go, on the home screen, the lock screen, or both. Next, you'll need to decide if you want the parallax feature activated. If so, go ahead and hit the motion effect radio button. This will zoom in on the image and make subtle adjustments as you tilt the phone. Either way, click set as wallpaper and you're off to the races. Oh, looks pretty sweet. We've got all of our wallpapers over on our blog at iFixit.org, but if you don't see one for your phone, comment below with your wallpaper requests. I'll see you next time.